let's see about console customization and appearance. Okay, so what are all the changes that we can do is basically you cannot touch the core customization, core appearance in Okta. Let's say for example you want to view the background color in white, right? So if you want to change it to some color, you cannot do it. Okay, or let's say for example you want to rearrange these options, like I want customization in the top, I want dashboard in the bottom. So likewise, if you want to rearrange, no, you cannot do it. So there are few limitations and there are few advantages of this also. Why I'm saying there are limitations, that we will call it as is, like it's completely planned and decided by some other authority. Okay, I'm not responsible for this. I'm working for a company, I'm owning this product, I'm owning this, I'm paying a subscription for this, but the thing is they are not giving me an option to move the options up and down. Okay, that is the limitations. But the positive is, or the advantage is, like these things will be managed by the Okta vendor, so that they can manage all the vendors uniquely. For example, right, if this directory task has been moved to the bottom, okay, let's say they are pushing some a new feature in the directory task. Okay, they need to change some they need to perform many manual work from their end, because this directory has the directories what to say, um, the order has been changed, right? From it has been moved from top to bottom. So likewise some organization, they want to move this directory tab under applications. Okay, like they want to get this, remove this entire tab itself, and they want to enter it here, like the next tab. Okay, under applications. So there will be many changes that each and every organization will expect if you give some option to modify it. So that's why they are restricting it, and they are giving only an option just to view it. Okay, you cannot change anything. And there are few other modifications that you can do for giving your company's branding and your company's your organization's content. Okay, that you can do. So let's see how we can do. Under there is a tab that has been given specifically for this purpose, that is customization. And I will say this customization is also introduced recently. Okay, earlier there was no tab for customization. What we will do is we will go to settings. Under settings we will see all the options. Okay, but right now they have expanded it to, and they have given it a specific tab for it. Okay, so here you can see customization. You can see different options for it, like domain customization, branding customization, sign in page customization, error page customization, footer in the sense this one. So this is the footer. Okay, so that you can customize. Emails, so I said, right, the end users email, how you can modify that. SMS, how you can modify the SMS that is being triggered from Okta to the end users. So what is SMS is nothing but an OTP. If you configure MFA as your mobile one, right, mobile OTP, so you will be receiving a message saying that hi, let's say there is a default message available, your Okta OTP is something like that, it will generate OTP. If you want to give some more information, like hi, like if you're working for an organization, you can mention the organization name, saying that hi team, this is the OTP that Okta, let's say for example Cognizant Okta have sent to you. Okay, make use of this OPD. So likewise you can customize your SMS also, which has been sent from Okta to the end user. Okay, and the other, it will have some all other remaining stuffs in that other tab. Okay, let's see from the starting one. Okay, domain. So what does domain is? So here you can see, right, let me copy this. So this is the URL for our admin dashboard. Okay, and so this is the URL for end user. Okay, it's like basically it will looks like this. You can remove this. Basically it will look like this. Okay, so here you can see a similarity. So https://dev-87149 some number .okta.com. So but in the middle you can see -admin.okta.com. Okay, that is the only difference. So all other remaining are same. Okay, how you can categorize domain here? Okay, domain, right? So the word that starts before Okta, that is what we will call it as your domain. Okay. Let's say, for example, tomorrow you are raising a query to Okta vendor. You want to uh, you have raised a P1 query and you want to do some activity in your Okta console. So what they will identify, how they will identify your specific instances with the help of this domain name. Okay, dev hyphen 871499013 is my domain name as of now. Okay, I have created an individual instance. I have created it. So likewise, each and every organization will have unique domain name. Let me tell you how it looks like. Okay, let's say if you're working for Cognizant, okay, cognizant.com. Okay, same thing. Let's say you are working for Google. Okay, so each and every organization domain information will look like this. Some organization, right, they will be having some multiple customization inside them. So what they will do is they will say like cognizant.us.com, cognizant.americas.com, or cognizant.asiapac.com. So likewise, I mean cognizant.asiapac.octa.com, cognizant.americas.octa.com. So likewise, they will split among themselves. So that is possible. But the beginning one, right, that we will call it as your domain. Okay, this is what our domain is all about. Let's say Okta will always given something like this only, always. Okay, they will give some alphanumeric only all the time. Now let's say, for example, you want to update your branding name, like I have updated it cognizant.okta.com, right? Likewise, I want to update my branding name. Okay, that's what you can do it from here, the domain. Okay, so what you can do is you can go to edit, you can click. Okay, so if you click edit, you can see an option to add a domain. Okay, now let's say, for example, I'm adding okay, and you can see two options available to upload the certificate. One is Okta managed certificate, or you can bring your own certificate. So what is this certificate is like, if you click this URL, right, this connection will be always secured with a certificate. So you can see, right, this certificate is owned by Okta.com. Okay, I don't want this Okta certificate to be managed here. Instead, I want my organization's owned certificate to be populated here. Okay, so that whenever end users are, even in the dashboard, you can see. Let me go to the admin dashboard. So whenever the end user, they are saying, right, they will go and see here. It says Okta.com, but I'm working for. So that's the question that will rise. So to make it more protective, or more your organization system, what you can do is you can update the certificate here. You can bring your, you can click bring your own certificate here. Okay, click next. What you need to do is you need to upload a certificate here. Okay, so you can see, so what it will do is it will verify the DNS and all. Right now we cannot do because we don't have such future actually option for it. So likewise, if you need to give next, and there will be an option or provision to upload your certificate. I mean,
so that certificate, where we get it from?
You will get it from your AD team, Active Directory team, or there will be a separate team you will be having for managing your certificate inside your organization. Each and every organization should have it. Okay, so you can reach them and you can get the certificate for your based on your requirement. So likewise, if you click next, you will get an option to upload a certificate, and the certificate will be verified. Once that is verified, you can able to see here, right, your certification, your organization certification, instead of seeing Okta.com. Likewise. Okay, so that is related to domain. So that some people will have this requirement. They want to update this URL, or they want to update the certificate. Like inside our organization, right, we will be having an expiry, let's say 5 or the expiry will be 1 year or 2 year, 3 year. Okay, your certificate is expiring by this October. Okay, this is how you have to do. You have to go to this domain again. You have to delete the existing certificate available, and you need to re-upload a certificate. Okay, that is the process that it's an admin activity kind of thing that you have to perform. So here also you can see, right, 7/4/2022 to 8/4/2023. Until 2023, there will be no changes required for the certificate, and after 2023, Okta will automatically upload it because it's not
Okay.
our certificate, so we don't have any scope to upload it. Automatically they will do it. But if you are uploading your certificate, by customizing it, you have to upload your certificate once that expiry date is getting near. Okay,
Okay.
so that is regarding the domain. And next, move to branding. So how you can brand your Okta console, right? Okay, now let's see. Let's select the color. I want to select something like this. Okay, color. And I want to give the secondary color. It can be anything, like you can, I'm just selecting few things. Logo, I want to upload a new logo. Okay, I have a, I'm taking this as an my organization's logo. Okay,
Okay.
and okay, it says some error. Okay, that I will show you. And the background image. Okay, let's upload. So it's an pharma company, so I have uploaded like this. So likewise, based on your organization, you can make it your changes. Okay, click
Okay.
save changes, and you can see what are all the pages that you can apply that. Okay, let's say you can see it, Okta hosted sign in page. Sign in page in the sense,
That login before that
yeah,
username and
that
password.
username and
Okay.
password. So that is the sign in page. So let me apply to that first. Okay, I will up. So you can see, right, if I upload this background, the background image will be uploaded and the logo will also be uploaded. Okay,
Okay.
this is the preview. So once you apply it, you can see it. So save and publish. Okay, it will be published. Now let me go back again. So end user dashboard. So this
Yeah.
this dashboard, right?
Yeah.
So here
Yeah.
you can see something different. Now let's edit it and try to upload ours. So you can see like this, you can select. So the logo will be in this color. And like if you want to upload everything in green, you can do like this. Or you just want only the logo to be
Logo.
updated, all the remaining should be in sorry, white background, you can do it. So as of now, I'm going with this thing. Save and publish. Okay, now let me go back again. And what else option I have? Okta hosted error page. Okay, so whenever we are displaying any error page, right? So you can show like this. So
Okay.
this is the error code and this is the error content will be given. Okay,
Okay.
and this is the color. Let's say if you want to modify it like this. Okay, you can do like this. So based on your requirement, you can do it. I'll make it just this thing itself. Save and publish. Go back to branding again. Okay, so here you can see communication is nothing but an email. Okay, Okta sends an end user for password reset and account changes. So let's say, for example, this is how an email looks like. Okay, uh, whenever you are sending an email from Okta, I will update it like this. So how it will looks like is, this is how it will look whenever the email has been sent from user to, sorry, from Okta to user.
Okay.
Okay, so let me save and publish it. Now let's refresh everything. See, my logo has been updated, my colors has been changed. Now let me sign out again to show you what is available in the background image. See, it got updated. So as I said, you cannot change anything like in this color. Okay, this is predefined Okta tile.
Yeah.
You cannot modify anything. But the thing is, you can change this style. You can change this option. So that I will show you how we can change. Go to customization again. Okay, we have right now, we have seen about branding. Now let's see about sign in page code editor. Okay, so this is how your sign in page has been formulated based on the code. Okay,
Okay.
now let's, okay, we don't have an option to preview it. Okay, so now let me show you how to edit the sign in page widget. Okay, click edit. You can see sign in, right? Sign in the sense, let me open it in incognito mode. So here you can see sign in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Instead of, you can mention like let's say CTS Okta. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
we are displaying like this is specific to Cognizant. So likewise, okay,
Okay.
and username and password fields. So this username and password field which we can
Mm-hmm.
update. Okay, username label, like let's say for example in Cognizant we will call it as HRID. Okay,
Okay.
because this username, right, this is
Mm-hmm.
each and every organization will have different name for that. So some organization will call it as personal ID, PRID,
Mm-hmm.
PRID. Someone
Okay.
will call it as OHRID, Oracle HRID.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Someone will call it as like each and every organization will have unique term for that, but end
Okay.
of the day that is username. But
Okay.
inside the organization they will use different terms. Okay, so if you
Okay.
want to change it according to that, you can do HRID. I'm updating it. Okay, you can mention like uh, HRID. Okay, and password label we cannot change anything, so let me do it like this itself. Password tip is enter your uh, Windows ID. People will think like for Windows we are giving some different user ID, and for Okta they will use different user ID and password. So to make it clear that like I'm entering, enter your Windows ID here,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm making password visibility toggle, which means whenever you're typing password you can view it. Okay, that you can
Okay.
enable it. So once that is done, okay, I will save it as of now. Click save. Okay, let me refresh it again. So you can see, so it is updated to CTS Okta. So here all the informations got updated, and even you can see the password toggle also. Like if I type some password, you can see. Okay,
Okay.
likewise earlier if we disable it, you will not have an option to do it.
Okay.
Likewise, so we have right now we have updated it, right? So
Mm-hmm.
likewise automatically this code will be updated. Okay, this
Mm-hmm.
code will be automatically updated based on the configurations that we are giving here. You
Okay.
don't need to anything update in the code. Okay, you don't need to do anything
Okay.
on that. It is just like you can update the password you can update the fields available. This field will automatically update your code, HTML code, likewise. Okay,
Okay.
and let's do for the remaining thing. So sign in widget user identifier, display the user's identifier in the sign in widget. Let's say for you are signing in, right? Each and every time you
Mm-hmm.
are signing in, this logo will be replaced with your like let's say you are selecting some ID. So you are selecting some what to say, cartoon kind of picture. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that will be auto populated here. So if you enable it, so as of now let's keep it disabled. And customized help links, like if you want to make some link, okay, you want to give some link. Okay, how you can give it, that's what here it is mentioned. So you can see links also you can post. So what this links represent is you can give some link, okay, that you can ask your user to submit a request here. If you are facing any issue, submit a request in this service now URL, submit a request in this HR portal. So something like that, you can give some referral link here. Okay, that will be displayed here. So if you see here, right, mm, so if you click help, so you will be taken to the screen where you can display all the messages here. Okay, likewise you can able to navigate your users to the different uh, page, help page basically, so that you can do it from here. Okay, customized link, you can give any link here. So based on your requirement you can do it. There is no restriction, there is no nothing like that. Okay, you can do what however you want. And authentication page, custom link, this looks different actually for me, because I think they have introduced it recently.
Okay.
Okay, so this I will check and I will update you, because I have to read something on this particular thing. But this is how you can able to edit your sign in page. Okay, edit your end user sign in page. Okay,
Okay.
then go to error page. So this is the type of error page that will be displayed to the end user. As of now, we don't have an option to do it, because it is restricted for the developer instance. If you have an organization instance, you can have an option to edit this one. Okay, so you can go ahead and delete it. Once it is edited, you can click preview here, and you can see the preview here like this. Okay, so likewise you can edit the error page how you want to display for the end users. These are all simple HTML codes, like you can
Do we need to type in like in error codes directly in the code itself, or
yeah, you can type it, yes.
okay.
If you know HTML code, you can directly go ahead and you can delete, I mean you can edit however you want based on, let's say for example, this thing, right? Technical details, let me show you. See, I cannot edit it actually. Okay, so in the preview, right, you can see technical details. So
Okay.
in this space, what you can do is you can give some referral link. Okay,
Okay.
what you can do is you can copy this entire code. You can make it like how the technical details or technical URL context can be uploaded here. Okay,
Okay.
likewise you can upload it here, and you can click save and publish. If you click save and publish, you will, before you click save and publish, try to click preview so that it
Okay.
will be shown in the preview screen. Okay,
Okay.
and these things are somewhat a sensitive one, because whatever you are applying here, that will be replicated to the all end users.
Yeah.
Okay, make sure you are handling it properly without
Yeah.
any error, anything. And the next one is footer. So footer, you can give some option like in the this is the footer we will call it as. Okay, so let's say for example you want to change some custom privacy policy. Custom privacy policy means each and every organization will have some unique privacy policy for them. Okay, whatever the policy that has been given here, right, this is an Okta privacy policy. So if you click, it will take you to the Okta page. Okay, so likewise if you want to give your organization's privacy policy which has been posted in some maybe in any portal, like maybe in your ServiceNow portal or people service portal, any of the portal that you have in your organization. Okay, that you can load it, you can post that URL here, and you can click save. Okay, so that the privacy policy can be updated based on your requirement. Okay, and powered by Okta. So this is nothing but it will show the the copyright, I guess, or terms and conditions, I guess. So if you select this, it will show you that copyright details, and like basically in whatever the application, right? If you go to any web application, in the bottom you can see by whom it is managed by. Okay, it has been managed by, let's say for example, Accenture. They will give the Accenture details here in the bottom. Okay, let's say that application has been managed by, let me show you something, I don't remember. Yeah, here you can see, right, powered by www.radiantinfo.com, which means this company is taking care of this portal. Okay, whatever the portal that we have seen before, right, this portal has been taken care by this company. Okay,
Okay.
likewise if you want to edit your organization and you want to hide it, you can go and update the powered by Okta option.
Okay.
And the next thing is emails. So I said, right, there are predefined emails that is available. So these many emails are available, predefined one. Let's see a few of the things. User activation. So you can see the what exactly this email will do. This email are sent to your new users who must follow the provided link to complete your Okta sign-in process. Okay, so what you can do is here, actually you can see it's a paid feature. Contact Okta sales team to do it, because it's a developer instance. You don't have an option to do it, but you can go ahead and edit it. It is also editing like your HTML page. Okay, once you click edit, you will be navigated to a HTML page where you can edit the content. Okay, you can modify this data, you can modify this link. Okay, you can modify this term. Instead of username, you want to make it like CTS ID or Cognizant ID or TCS ID or PRID, whatever it is. So based on your requirement, you can do it. It is completely customizable one. Okay, but you cannot change this thing, like the over structure of it. You can do only the customization inside that structure. Okay, likewise you can do it for different emails available. Let's say for example, uh, password changed. Okay, whenever this email will be sent to your end user, whenever the user account password has been changed, okay, it will send an email, hi Okta, the password has been changed from Okta account for the Okta account name. This is the details, don't recognize this activity, report suspicious activity. So what you can do is you can update this URL to some of your organization's URL. Let's say if you click this report suspicious activity, it should take you to the service now page, okay, to raise an incident or a priority one incident or priority, or it should take you to the email, okay, the predefined email. If you click send, automatically that email will be sent to your security team, SOC team, okay, security operations control team, so that they can take actions appropriately. So likewise, you can modify it based on your organization's requirement and your you know, your feasibility based on your thing. It is completely okay. So there are n number of emails available, nearly 20 plus emails, predefined emails available. You can go ahead, you can modify it. Okay, so all
Okay.
these emails will be sent based on the user actions, I mean based on the activity that is happening in Okta. Okay, you cannot create when this email should be sent. This has been mentioned already, like whenever the user account got password update, this email should be triggered, but you can change the email content but not the email triggering mechanism itself. Okay, so that's the difference. And the next one is SMS. So XMS, I said, right, you can add OTP password, like you can say like hi cognizant, or you can mention like CTS. Okay, okay,
Maybe in the
yeah,
brackets.
cool, open and call process. So I have added it now, so that it will, whenever the users are getting an email or sorry, a OTP notification, they will be getting a message like this.
Okay.
Okay, likewise you can change. So this is just an overview of what we can see, what we have seen in the before screens. You can see display language also, right? You can you know, predefined languages are available. Okay, you can choose it based on your organization's requirement. Okay, and okay, so this is Okta communication. What you can do is if you know, this is the predefined email. Okay, I mean not predefined email, defined email will be sent to all the admins of Okta, saying that this feature is going to be stopped, or this feature we are adding it new to the Okta. So likewise they will send a communication to all the admins. Okay, if you want to opt out for it, you can go ahead and you can click save that. You got this right? What is Okta user communication?
What is this actually? I'm not understanding.
For example, I said, right, if Okta is introducing new feature to it, new feature
Okay.
to the existing environment, they will send us an email saying that,
Okay.
hi, so and so admin, we are adding this new feature which will be rolled out on this particular day. If you want to stop this new feature added to your environment, please raise a request for us
Okay.
or case. So likewise, they will send an email. At the same time, they are going to stop few details, few supports. Let's say, for example, Internet Explorer, right? Internet Explorer has been retired from Microsoft recently. What Okta does, or Okta did is, Okta have sent a communication to all the super admins and all the org admins saying that as per Microsoft terms and conditions, we are going to stop supporting for any users that come specific to the Internet Explorer. Likewise, they have sent us an email. So if you want to opt out for those emails, you can go ahead and select
Okay.
this. Okay. Deprovisioning workflow that we will see how we are going to perform in our application integration, so that we will see just-in-time provisioning that we will see during the AD Okta integration, Okta browser plugin that we will see again during that application integration. So these things are like somewhat an additional thing that I will show you whenever the next slides are coming up. So it's a
Okay.
combination of everything that they have given here.
Okay.
So it is fine. So any questions on this customization? Let's wind the customization session now.
Yeah, it's clear.
Is clear. Okay, fine. So we have seen about administrator accounts, console customization, appearance, and email customization.